Hello, my name is Larry Rybka. I'm the CEO of Valmark Financial Group and the chairman of the Valmark Companies. Life Insurance 10X is about how insurance advisors can make life insurance 10 times better for their clients who purchase it from their firms. The concepts are all from our book, Life Insurance 10X, that we published last year. The book documents and catalogs best practices from 13 great firms that we've worked with over the last 55 years. These concepts are not fads, gimmicks, or niche ideas, but fundamental processes that, if applied consistently to life insurance, will make your firm the go-to insurance advisor in your local market. The long decline in interest rates has really taken its toll on both insurance companies and their products. And it seems that companies are increasingly misaligned with policyholders. As a result of this pressure, we see decreased dividends and interest rates, cost of insurance increases, offers to buy out products that are really very valuable, and ultimately spin-offs of some of these insurance operating companies. This has also caused some insurance companies to create products that attempt to shift the risk to policyholders. Some of the newest contracts that we're seeing really are not very consumer friendly. They have significant gotchas in the contract language. I've never seen life insurance products so complex in my 31 years of business. So what does that mean? It really means that more than ever, clients need a true professional, someone who's really on their side and represents them in these complex transactions. That's really why we created the Life Insurance 10X book and training videos. In my 31 years of working with great insurance professionals, I've seen there's 5 critical areas where they add value for clients. The first and most important is choosing the right companies for the long term. The second is creating a customized policy and premium design that stands the test of time. The third is lowering long-term costs for clients by optimizing the risk class or underwriting class. We call this underwriting advocacy. The fourth is keeping track of the policy by providing ongoing monitoring and management. And finally, optimizing the tax benefits of a policy with proper ownership and premium structure. Every one of these elements either adds or subtracts value. What good is a AAA rated company if the year after purchase the company gets spun off to a private equity company? Or think about the difference in the cost of a policy over a lifetime when it's issued standard when the client could have qualified for preferred. How well served is a client who's shown a very low illustrated premium that was created by an aggressive IUL illustrated rate or a whole life with a heavy term blend? The client doesn't have a clue that there's a 95% chance that they will have to pay more premium than they thought. And finally, how many policies work out well if there's no one to monitor or manage them? All of these things are a part of Life Insurance 10X and addressed in our book. In each of these areas, 10X professionals can use analytical tools and a consistent process to help their clients get better results. For example, our Life Assurance 360 process, or blueprint, is used to create a customized policy design for each client that allows the advisor to provide an apples-to-apples comparison for different kinds of products, using the actual assets that underlie the product as opposed to the company's maximum default rate that is used in illustrations. This tool also highlights specific contract language in the policy that the advisor should be aware of, so no one is fooled by the fine print or surprises down the road. All in all, these things help the advisor to deliver a result that is much more likely to have a happy client in the long term. Even the best life insurance product, perfectly designed and underwritten from a great insurance company, will not work if no one is watching it. Clients skip premiums, things change in their life. There could be the end of a business partnership, a marriage, or a change in their financial circumstances. And we all know things change at the insurance company level. Decreased dividends, lower interest rates, cost of insurance increases. That's really why we created the Valmark Policy Management Company. It's beyond the capability of any single firm to create the systems and staffing to manage products across multiple companies. We currently have over 250 distinct, different policy series from 30 life insurance companies. The Valmark Policy Management Company allows firms to outsource this service and gives them a huge competitive advantage. I can think of 4 specific things that they can point to. One is being able to give their clients or advisors a written report every year which reconciles the policy. Second, we have email notice of premium payment to all interested parties. No more relying on a single paper statement for a whole financial plan. Third, we have a dedicated team to help with the service, including providing the forms and making sure they are noted at the carrier. Finally, all of this is documented on an electronic vault with the entire policy history. The final thought I'd like to send to our firms is that clients and advisors have never needed a great independent insurance person on their side more than now. In the last 55 years in the business, we've seen it's gotten harder. Together, we have created processes and tools that allow your firm to truly be the go-to resource for insurance advice in your local market.